Inside Rich Life reveals how top performers sculpt success habits that compound into lasting wealth and confident decision-making. We explore wealth-building strategies from disciplined budgeting to strategic investments that weather cycles and multiply opportunities. Witness luxury assets like precision cars and jaw-dropping homes, not as escapism, but as proof of outcome-driven planning. Travel stories showcase curated experiences colorized by private aviation and exclusive wellness retreats that reinforce long-term wealth mindset. By modeling informed risk-taking and mindful generosity, viewers glimpse a sustainable path to luxury without losing perspective.